Welcome to ZoomInData. dbt is widely used for data transformations, but it comes in two flavors, dbt Core and dbt Cloud. Understanding the differences, features, and limitations of each is critical for designing scalable, maintainable, and production-ready pipelines. In this section, we cover dbt Cloud versus dbt Core, features, use cases, and limitations, helping you understand which option suits your workflow, team size, and project requirements. This topic is frequently asked in interviews and essential for enterprise-level dbt projects. Subscribe to ZoomInData for structured dbt tutorials, real-time project guidance, and interview-focused content. What is dbt Core? Answer: dbt Core is the open-source command line version of dbt. Users run transformations locally or in their environment. Provides the core dbt functionality, models, macros, tests, and documentation. Ideal for small teams or developers familiar with CLI workflows. What is dbt Cloud? Answer: dbt Cloud is a managed SaaS platform. Includes scheduling, logging, alerting, and job management. Offers a web interface and IDE for development. Ideal for teams needing collaboration, monitoring, and enterprise support. How does dbt Core execute models? Answer: models are executed via CLI using dbt Run. Requires a configured data warehouse connection in profiles.yml. All compilation and execution happen locally or on a server. Manual scheduling is required unless integrated with orchestration tools. How does dbt Cloud execute models? Answer: models run in the cloud using managed infrastructure. Supports scheduled jobs and automated triggers. Provides logging, notifications, and error tracking. Reduces manual intervention and operational overhead. Can dbt Core be scheduled? Answer: yes, but scheduling requires external orchestration tools like Airflow, Prefect, or cron jobs. dbt Core itself has no built-in scheduler. Requires management of infrastructure and monitoring. Suitable for teams comfortable with DevOps setup. Does dbt Cloud require installation? Answer: no. dbt Cloud is a managed service. Users access it via a browser and web IDE. No local installation is needed. Ideal for teams preferring minimal setup. What are the collaboration features in dbt Cloud? Answer: built-in web IDE for multiple developers. Version control integration with Git. Shared dashboards and documentation. Supports review workflows and team-based development. Can dbt Core integrate with Git? Answer: yes. dbt Core supports Git integration. Developers manage code locally and push changes to repositories. No built-in interface. Requires manual workflow. Works with C/CD pipelines for deployment. How does pricing differ between dbt Core and dbt Cloud? Answer: dbt Core is free and open source. dbt Cloud is a paid managed service. Pricing varies by team size and features. Cloud pricing includes support, scheduling, and monitoring. Choice depends on team requirements and budget. How does dbt Cloud handle environment management? Answer: supports multiple environments. Dev, test, prod. Each environment can have separate warehouse connections. Users can schedule jobs in each environment. Simplifies deployment and testing without local configuration. What are the limitations of dbt Core? Answer: No built-in scheduler or monitoring. Requires manual setup of IDE and execution environment. Less collaborative out of the box. Suitable mainly for smaller teams or CLI-savvy developers. What are the limitations of dbt Cloud? Answer. Paid service. May be expensive for small teams. Dependent on internet and SaaS infrastructure. Some advanced features may require higher tier plans. Limited customization compared to self-managed core. How does CI/CD integration differ between core and cloud? Answer. Core requires custom CI/CD pipelines using tools like GitHub Actions, Jenkins, or Airflow. Cloud provides built-in job scheduling and optional CI/CD triggers. Both support version-controlled workflows. Cloud simplifies operational overhead. How does dbt Cloud improve observability? Answer. Provides logs, error notifications, and run history. Web interface allows monitoring job status. Alerts notify teams of failed runs. Improves reliability and production readiness. Can dbt Core and Cloud run the same project? Answer. Yes. The same dbt project code can run on Core or Cloud. Requires proper configuration of profiles for the environment. Cloud adds scheduling, logging, and monitoring layers. Ensures flexibility in deployment options. How does team collaboration differ? Answer. Core collaboration relies on Git workflows and external CI/CD. Cloud built-in IDE, job sharing, and environment management streamline teamwork. Cloud reduces configuration burden and encourages standardized workflows. Collaboration is easier for multi-member teams. How do cloud features impact project scaling? Answer. Cloud supports scheduled jobs, alerts, and monitoring at scale. Enables large teams to manage multiple models efficiently. Reduces manual intervention as pipelines grow. Core may require additional orchestration and monitoring tools for scaling. How do security features differ between Core and Cloud? Answer. Core relies on warehouse permissions and local setup. Cloud provides additional security features, access control, user management, and logging. Supports enterprise compliance requirements. Cloud simplifies governance and auditing for large teams. How do deployment workflows differ? Answer. Core requires external CI/CD or scripts for deployment. Cloud built-in job management allows deployment scheduling and promotion across environments. Cloud reduces manual steps and operational risk. Both can integrate with version control for reproducibility. Can dbt Cloud reduce operational overhead compared to Core? Answer. Yes. Cloud automates scheduling, monitoring, and error notification. Eliminates the need to maintain local execution servers. Simplifies environment management. Ideal for production pipelines requiring reliability. How does debugging differ between Core and Cloud? Answer. Core debugging is manual using CLI logs and local tools. Cloud provides web logs, run history, and error notifications. Cloud allows easier identification of failed tasks. Cloud improves developer productivity. How do pricing and support affect enterprise decisions? Answer. Core is free but lacks enterprise support. Cloud offers professional support and SLA guarantees. Cost versus operational efficiency must be considered. Cloud often preferred by larger teams with critical production pipelines. How do cloud-specific features enhance analytics engineering? Answer. Scheduling and automated job monitoring reduce operational burden. Environment separation allows safe testing and production deployment. Alerts and logging improve pipeline reliability. Facilitates collaboration across multiple data engineers. Can dbt Cloud handle real-time transformations? Answer: dbt Cloud itself does not stream data but supports scheduled near real-time jobs. Works in combination with data ingestion tools and orchestration for near real-time updates. Cloud's monitoring ensures timely completion of jobs. Core can also achieve this but requires custom orchestration. Why is understanding dbt Core versus Cloud important for interviews? Answer: shows awareness of project deployment options. Demonstrates understanding of scaling, collaboration, and operational management. Reflects enterprise readiness and practical experience. Differentiates candidates for senior dbt and analytics engineering roles. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow ZoomInData for more dbt tutorials and interview-focused content. If you want more questions on real-time dbt projects, contact ZoomInData. See you in the next video.